Here we're going to do a quick FizzBuzz test with GitHub Copilot for Python, JavaScript, and C#. So we're going to start typing our logic. It's going to take in that result and give us exactly what we need, and then you just hit tab to select it. Next, let's try it in JavaScript. So again, we'll add the comments because it takes that as an input, and then we'll start typing out our function. And here again, it gave us exactly what we needed and wrote the function for us. And so we can hit tab and then call that function. Next, let's try C#. Now, it's important to note C# isn't actually a supported language, so I'm not exactly sure if it's going to work very well. We'll start with a for loop and loop through each number and then print out the result fizz or buzz based on the result. Now you can see that it actually is not really suggesting much outside of IntelliSense, and that's because it isn't a supported language. So that was a quick example of how GitHub Copilot works in VS Code for Python, JavaScript, and C#.